So welcome back again. If you have made it this far, it means you're on the right path to acing your exams. In case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor, and I'm also recently CKAD certified. So without further much ado, let us jump right into question number 3. Now, let's see what question number 3 got for us. We got an Ingress question again. It says, in namespace default, the following resource exists: deployment internal API, service internal API service, exposing port 3000. Create an Ingress resource name internal resource. So if it was exam time, when I hear create an Ingress resource, I'm just looking forward to create this resource in this default namespace. Now we need to route it host to internal company.local and path to home path, and then we also service to internal API service on port 3000. Use the stable network API kind. So you see, when you get these questions, when you get this kind of question, my friend, don't panic. Just take it easy. Look at what the question is asking you to do. It says Ingress. So the first thing you have to do, come to the documentation, look for Ingress. All the links they will give you, actually sometimes they can trick you because they give you the vague one. Just come to the documentation, just search for Ingress, click on Ingress, and then you will just look for the basic one over here. So copy this one. That's what I will do. And then I will say, so we have to create an Ingress resource. So vim ingress-yaml.yaml, and then I will paste it here. Now we need to edit this file. So the first question is internal API. The deployment is internal API, and then the Ingress name we need to create is internal API Ingress. So go to the file again. Know how to use the arrow up and down so that you can go around your tags very fast. So the name, I'll put it here, and then the specified namespace is default, so we can leave it blank. And then we need to route host to internal local. So when you see host, be very glad. You can go down and look for it, or you can just search for it. From my Mac, I will use Command F, so host, and then select the one that has a host in the documentation, not this one. So yes, this one, just the host here. But when you get it, when you hear host, just come here, come down here, and just say dash host again, because sometimes it can be very tricky, because when you write host and then you don't know how you are going to indent the file, it can be very tricky. So don't panic, just write the host, paste the host name they want you to use here, so internal company.local, and then just remove this one, my friend. Just remove this dash, and then click on the space bar to just bring it to indent it as it was again. That's all. So you can get the same file, because otherwise you have to copy this one and come and edit. It will be too long for you if you don't want stress. Then the path is just going to be home, so the root directory, so it's just going to be home. Go ensure that you have the path right, prefix is correct, and then it says service is going to be internal API service. Let us check it out. Internal API service, and then what is the target? The port was 3000. That's all, my friend. That's all you need. I'm not sure they will ask you to get the Ingress class, but in an extreme case, you can just save it. In an extreme case, to get the Ingress class, you can run get Ingress class and then you see whatever ingress that they use. Normally it's just going to be Nginx ingress, but whatever ingress they use, then you copy the name and then you put it inside the YAML file. Now let us see if we have everything done. So vim ingress, let us verify, and ingress name, internal API in default namespace, host path, and then okay, correct, we have everything. So now save the file and then run the file. Don't forget that one, apply the file. So k apply-f ingress. Now we have created the ingress successfully. So k get ingress, k get in, not get ingress. Then now we can see we have the ingress created successfully. So let us clear the screen and then check our results. So check. Good. So now we can see we've successfully passed also question number 3. So when you get this question, when you get similar questions also in the exams, then be rest assured that once you can master this one, then you can also bank in this point. So let us move forward. So now in the next video we are going to work on RBAC. So this is one of the difficult questions that CKAD throws at you, but I will do my best to explain it so that you can understand it better when you face it in the exams. So without further much ado, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to stay tuned so that whenever I post the next video, you will get notification for it. So see you in the next one.